Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Capcut motion blur fade. Firstly, open the settings on your phone and navigate to the apps section. Look for Capcut in the list of applications. Scroll down and enter the storage settings. In the storage settings, go to the Clear Data option. Confirm by clicking OK. Now, go back and click on Force Stop and confirm this as well. Next, go to the Permissions option. Make sure to allow all the necessary access rights to Capcut on your phone. After adjusting the permissions, restart your phone to apply the changes. Once your phone has restarted, your motion blur issue in Capcut should be resolved. I hope this video helps you resolve the problem. If it does, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Hey guys, and welcome back to Mobile Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Capcut